Okay, so we are going to be demonstrating some inertia today. And to do that, I've got some simple things you can find around the house because it's not like I'm in my science lab here. So I've got to make do with what I have, but that's okay because inertia is everywhere because anything that has mass has inertia, and we're going to prove that right now. So I have a mason jar that I just put some water in. I have an empty toilet paper tube because with 4 people in the house, there's not a problem finding these empty every single day because no one puts a new roll on except for me. I have just one of those paper plates that you find, lying in the basement from a party that you had 2 years ago. And then I just got an egg from the fridge. So raw egg, not cooked. That's how confident I am. All right, so I'm going to take my paper plate and I'm going to put it on top of the mason jar here, and I have it pretty well centered. And then I've got my empty toilet paper tube that I'm going to put right there. And I've got my egg, and I'm going to put it right inside this guy here. All right. Moment of truth. Here we go. Really hoping not to make a big mess. Okay. Maybe I think I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to be confident. I'm just going to do it. Here we go. All right. I'm going to whack it. Oh, I did it! All right. Woo. Took me 3 times to get it, but I got it.